Kinder friends, happy Thursday! This video is going to be talking about reading, writing, and math homework for today. If you're looking for any other subject, go over to our Tuesday video this week. It's going to tell you all about social studies, STEM, art, health, music, and all that jazz. So today we're talking about reading, writing, and math. Let's get started with reading. In reading this week, we are reading the story, No, Lily, Don't. Before you start reading that story, go ahead and practice the 2 vocabulary words that we had for this week. You can read the story in your packet, or you can go onto our classroom website and listen to Mrs. Blatchley read the story, or you can do both. You can put on the video and you read your book and I'll read my book and we can read it together. That sounds like a great idea. Then we have our letters, sounds, and words practice for you, like we've been doing every day this week. So definitely practice them as many times as you can. The more you practice, the smarter you're going to be and the easier it's going to get. Then we have our unword family. Here's just a reminder of what that chart looks like. Choose one thing to do today. Don't overwhelm yourself, just pick one. And then the last thing we're doing today in reading, is handwriting. We're doing the letter W today. So you're going to slant down, up to make our W. Remember, our letter W, we start at the top. And for the little w, we actually start at the middle. But I don't want you to start your W at the bottom. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of wonky. So remember, we start at the top and slide down, up. Then on the back, you have 2 W words for you to stretch out. You have the word web, w-eb, web, and wig, w-ig, wig. Then you have 2 sentences for you to practice stretching out and writing. Here is the wolf, w-olf, wolf. And here is the water, water. So do your kindergarten best with those 2 words. They're kind of tricky. Now let's talk about writing. This week we are writing persuasive letters. So think of something else that you want, something else that you want someone to do for you, and try to write a persuasive letter to them. Remember, on our classroom website, I have a video for you to remind you how to write a persuasive letter. Then the last thing we're talking about today is math. In math, we are on page 349 and 350 of your math book. We have more partners, kind of exactly like what we did yesterday. So you're going to count the colored ones plus the white shapes. So here's an example. We've got 1 green circle and 6 white circles. So the equation is 1 plus 6. So you're going to do that for all of your shapes. Purple plus white, blue plus white, red plus white, and then blue again plus white at the bottom. On the back side, you have some more addition problems, but you know what, kinder friends, I say go ahead and skip those, or maybe just choose a couple of them to do, okay? You don't need to do all of them. I would much rather you check out those shape songs or the shape games at the bottom, because those are going to be so much more fun. We don't want to overwhelm you with all of this addition and subtraction practice. When we do these pages in our classroom, we usually just do them until time runs out, so that's why I'm having you skip a lot of them. You don't need to do them unless your family says you have to, then you have to. But I would much rather you practice some of your shapes instead. All right, kinder friends, that's it. So today, don't stress out about your homework. Do what you can. Take lots of breaks. And remember, kinder friends, you are smart. Happy Thursday, kinder friends. I will talk to you tomorrow.